Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's project is going to be the Dust Deputy installation. And I have not fired this machine up in a couple of 3 months. I've been in the middle of a house renovation. So today we're actually going to make some chips. And I've got some scrap UHNW, and this will support the bottom side of the bucket. And I'm going to attempt to cut some pieces that's going to go in the top here to support the top and bottom. Okay, so let's talk about the fusion for a second. So this is the bottom side, and I've got the holes here, should be 5/16. So I'm going to start out with the little pocketing, and we'll look at the setup here. 15,000 RPM, 80 inches a minute cutting. So there's my geometry. On the tabs, I'm going to do multiple depths at 125 at a time and no stock to leave, with the ramping helix to go in. That's the beginning. And then we have this contour cut, which will cut out the inside. Same thing, it's going to drop down, so 80 inches a minute, 15,000 RPM. We're going to do 125 thou at a time. We're going to leave 10 thou for cleanup. And that, by the way, will have a ramp at 2 degrees, just the stock settings. Okay, then the last will be a cleanup pass. Same thing, 15 thou, 80 inches a minute. No multiple depths, it's going to bury full depth and go around. No stock to leave, so it'll cut the other 10 thou off for a cleanup pass. I left the ramp in. Sometimes if you don't, when it comes in, it'll leave a line right here. So I want to kind of come in at an angle and let it cut. This is the top piece. Same thing, going to come in and pocket. But I wanted to show you a few things. So I've got a few different cutout files. And you can see how I've got this file only cuts this, then this one, this one, this one. With this, we can come in, it's going to cut the 4, 5, 6, cut that one out, this one completely out, this one out, then this one out. Then it's going to go around and it's going to do the cleanup pass on all of them. So the total run time on this one is 5 minutes. I think the other one was 3.5 minutes. Yeah, 3.3 minutes 23 seconds. So I'm going to try to run these back to back so you can get a 2 for 1. So let's go set the machine up. I'm gonna take you off the tripod for a second. You got to see how this thing's shaking it's shaking the whole. You will not get a stock 6040 with enough torque to do that. There you go. One completed job. I'm not going to put it to use because you can see thousands of videos on YouTube on how they work. And they do work or they wouldn't sell them. So this is it for the video. The video is to basically talk about the CAD files on making it work, and I will have the CAD files available on my website for this Dust Deputy. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the red subscribe button and the bell notification for future updates, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.